I'm going to alter your brain chemistry once again by bridging the gap between childhood wounds and manifestation in a way that no one has ever done for you before, in a way that 28 years of therapy couldn't unlock for you. And my ability to do this for you, for my clients, and for my EFT tapping students who are studying with me to become practitioners, this is why the world will know EFT tapping by my name, Demi Milbank, very soon. You know that money saving technique, always keep money for a rainy day, or make sure you have something in the bank in case you get injured or get hurt? That's a really great sentiment for people who feel safe holding money. But for people who grew up in scarcity, poverty, stress about money, feeling like they had to fight to earn anything, that belief actually does something backwards in our loyalties. And what it does is it actually teaches us that money, if we have an abundance of money, that gives us an opportunity to be unwell or to crash or to have something bad happen. So we connect that money creates a bridge of opportunity, and because of our programming growing up, if we grew up in lack and scarcity and poverty and having to fight for everything, we fill that gap in that bridge with things that are detrimental to us. We fill that gap with worst case scenario. Because if you grew up in a household that had fear around money, scarcity problems, I can almost guarantee that if you ever received extra money, extra abundance or income, something bad or negative happened. Maybe someone came and maybe took the money, or someone did get sick, or the car broke down, or there was a tragedy that happened. Because what happens when we're in that mindset and that environment is we look for ways to prove ourselves right. And because children are egocentric, we make everything mean something about us. So if we're watching our parents or our family prove themselves right through the belief that you have to have money in the bank just in case something happens, because we believe every time we have money in the bank, something bad will happen, you create a rule. You create a loyalty around that. And so therefore, when you grow up and you have or you want extra income, you are still running that old program. And so when you see extra money come in, your inner child and your loyalty says, excuse me, something bad is going to happen if we have extra abundance, because remember what happened when we were younger? So you're still running that prediction. So what do? You get rid of it. You spend it. You waste it. You give it away. You reject it, because you have connected abundance and overflow with sickness, with bad things, with worst case scenario, with tragedy, with death, with stress. So what you are trying to do when you're trying to break free of a money cap, when we're trying to get out of this environment of it's safe for me to have more, the body is saying, no, it's not, because of all the things we learned growing up that money showed us, that our family proved to us through their wounds and their loyalties. So what you actually have to look at when you want to manifest an overflow of money is, where were your loyalties to money growing up? Did you have a loyalty to fear? Did you have a loyalty to scarcity? Did you have a loyalty to this belief that extra money meant that you would crash and burn? And what it always comes down to is your authority with money. What is your authority with money? What do you want to create with your money story? Because the story that you held on to in childhood, it was never innately yours. You just learned it. You stayed true to it to survive. And that's okay. Children are blameless. Everything we believed and were loyal to in childhood doesn't have to be what we believe and are loyal to now as adults. So if I just altered your brain chemistry and sent you on a spiral of self-awareness and realization, make sure you follow, because you will love my other videos. And if you feel like the money authority wound is really, really tough for you to release, and you want to have a guided step-by-step project to release that, we are beginning on September 1st with the Authority Project. And this is going to cover every authority that you could desire in your life. But money and visibility are the big ones that a lot of people battle with. So if you are wanting to reclaim your sovereignty and your authority in your life and change your story, change your loyalties, change your rule book and your outcomes, make sure you enroll before August 31st, because that is when the doors close. And I am so excited. I cannot wait to get started. And you can learn more at my link in bio. And comment EFT with Demi if this unlocks something for you.